Take Me On. Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Mason Pearson. I'm on Twitter, Mason Pearson 21. And before this video, you guys will listen to Take Me On. I just went to Walmart. I was crazy on there today, and I bought a value pack and a blaster box. So I'm gonna go after the value pack first. My first time getting this stuff. If I can reach it here, that not go over the camera. Right, you get 3 red, white, and blue disco prisms. You get 15 cards per pack. 3 cards, 4 cards per pack, and there's 3 packs per pack. This pack, yeah. And get an extra pack full of 3 prisms. So here we go. It's $10 anywhere. I'm actually pretty sure you can only get them at Walmart. Then this white pack would do it last, so here we go. If I can get these packs open. Oh, by the way, I was gonna give my favorite card website a shout out. Their names are cardboardconnections.com. That's the place you can check out your card sets and inserts and stuff. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. So here we go. Chris Johnson. Is that Coleman? And that's a prism on Malcolm Mitchell. Who was that? Boisley or something like that. Got a green of Andrew Luck. That's pretty cool. Is that numbered? Or green's numbered? I don't think so. I think those are retail exclusive then. That's pretty cool. Love that. There's a code right there. If you want it, you can have it. Oh, that was Ted again, by the way. That's a retail prism. No, actually, that's a prism of Dylan Fuller. And there's this. And there's another advertisement in here, but it's NFL Shop. And I like those so much, so I'm gonna keep one. I'm not gonna show the code, so here we go. Big white pack of those exclusive prisms. Really nice. I got a Phillip Rivers. So I can't see the name. Jordan Cameron. And that Jordan Howard guy. Those are pretty cool. They're not numbered, but they're pretty nice. There's the back. Alright. I'm gonna open the blaster box in this one too. For you guys. There's all these special cards in here. Green Andrew Luck. And we got a blaster box. 2016 Panini Prizm. 24 cards. An autograph relic. I opened one of these, but it was actually a recap. I'll put that in the link in the description too. inside the box. I forget how many cards you get in here. You get 6 packs and 4 cards per pack. So here we go. I'm gonna give a shout out to Mikeo. He did a blaster box break of this like 2 days ago. I think it was 2 days ago, but so I put a link to his video too. Zeke Elliott. What's the inside of the box look like? So here we go. 6 packs, including 1 hit. That Chase guy. Ooh, that's cool. Antonio Brown. Elimination? Nah, never heard of those inserts before. Is that numbered? Huh. Give me a second, guys. I think I remember him now, but first time I pulled one. Get a one of those retail prisms of Jeremy Langford. Code for this. Pause if you want to see it. Man, these packs are hard to open sometimes. Sorry for the noise out there. My mom and my brother are talking. Dan McFadden. And that's Tevin Davis, Packer Prizm, rookie Prizm on that. Alright, nice. We got Russell Wilson on the top. Got a retail Prizm of, can't pronounce that last name. Got a rookie right there. That is a Prizm, by the way. There's a code. And there's the NFL shop. Probably see right there. So I'm not showing those. A little bit of NFL shop. So much. Forte. Aikman. Got a retail Prizm. Jordan Cameron. They're not numbered, by the way. 2 more packs. Yep, 2 more packs. And this video is probably going to be like 11 minutes or so. I think the hit's either in this pack or the next pack. And your luck, we just pulled a green of him. Is that insert? I thought it was a color for a second. Get a rookie Prizm right there. Code if you guys want to see it. See what this one is. It has to be in here, autograph or relic. It's gonna be a relic card. Mariota, my fantasy team. Another NFL shop card in here. Jamison Crowder. And that is going to be a Cody Kessler jersey relic right there. That's pretty cool. My first one was Josh Doxson. This is the Browns. I'm gonna fill the jersey real quick. That feels nice. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly did. Please go check out our Cardboard Connections website and Mikeo's blaster box brick of this too. And I'll be out. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I'm out. And see you guys next time.